Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a sanitized workspace and the glass bottle. This is critical to prevent contamination. Once done, mark the cap center and wrap tape to stop slipping, because glass drill bits need a stable surface. You drill slowly with steady water flow to cool, do not press hard. After drilling a small 3/8 hole, smooth the edge with a diamond file and rinse. You make the 1 to 4 sugar solution now and let it cool while you assemble the feeder parts. You fit a rubber grommet into the drilled cap hole and press it firmly so the glass and rubber meet evenly. This prevents leakage and stabilizes the feeding port. Once seated, insert a short metal tube or glass feeding port through the grommet and secure it with food-grade silicone. Allow full cure as directed. You shape a stainless wire hanger around the cap threads or solder a small bracket. This balances weight and keeps the bottle upright when hung. Make sure seals are flush and test for drips. You pour the cooled 1/4 nectar into the feeder up to 3/4 full because airspace helps flow and prevent spills. Once capped, hang the feeder in a shaded location 4 to 6 feet above ground where you can watch but not disturb the birds. Monitor daily for cloudiness or fermentation. Change nectar every 3 to 5 days in warm weather. If you spot leaks, take the feeder down, dry it, reseat or replace the grommet, and reapply food-safe silicone. This fix solves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.